So our height is in the middle, 4. This side would be 5. And this side is 5. And the bottom is 6. Okay, what's important about this when you're doing the ones on Get More Math or any other problems, right? They can turn them for you. So what you want to watch is this height, because these two numbers you have to get in the right spot. So if you just follow this dotted line, it's 4 and 6. So check your drawing that it's 4 and 6, right? Sometimes people put them in different areas and then we get it wrong. All right, what would the perimeter be? So it's a triangle. It only has 3 sides. We only add the 3 on the outside. Do not add that one, right? So 16, because we did 5 plus 5 plus 6. Correct? Okay. Then area is going to be, I put the little formula up here to help you remember. But 1/2, and then the base of your triangle is 6, and the height is 4. So 6 times 4 is, cut it in half, 12. So this is all we're going to practice today. Sketching our base, perimeter of base, and area of base. That's it. We're not going to do anything else.
So like we're just using that to find the perimeter of the base?
Okay, number B. I said number 2. Letter B. We're going to do the same thing here. Sketch it. Okay, so the bottom is 10, right? The middle is 12, 13, 13. So perimeter, we would do 13 plus 13 plus 10. Should be 36. And then area of base is 1/2, the base of the triangle, which is right here. And the height, it is 12. 10 times 12 is 120, divided by 2 is 60. All right, next one is a right triangle. So our sketch is going to look a little different. The bottom is 12, this side is 9, and this side is 15. So, (15 plus 9 plus 12) what would the perimeter be of this triangle? Very good. Okay, when you're doing these triangles, these are right triangles, right? So this is your base, this is your height. The base and height always come out of a 90-degree angle. Same thing here. 90, we use the 10 and the 12. That's how we know which ones to use. So 12 and 9. 12 times 9 divided by 2.
Oh, no.
54. Very good. All right. So for D, I'm going to start your sketch and see if you can put all the numbers in the right place. So this should have been 13, 15, 12, 14. Oops, 42. 1/2, 14 times 12, 84. Yep. Okay. Should push that up a little bit. Okay, so 16 here, right? And then the height would be 15, 17, 17. So perimeter should be 50. 16 times 15. 120. All right. Then let's try F. I'll give you a second to put your numbers and fill it out and see. All right, so that is how we got that one. Now, for your homework, there is 10 boxes. Let me do number 1 right here, number 2. Flip it over. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And we're going to do the first one together. Okay, so what I've done is given you some pictures printed from Get More Math. Now, here's the deal. They don't have anything just like this. So all I want you using from the pictures is the pictures, right? Don't worry about these questions. So you can cross this out. You're not doing that. All you're doing is filling in this piece of paper that I gave you. So what do you notice right off the bat with these? Aren't they kind of spun and turned around? Yeah. So that's been throwing some people off because they're turned in different directions. So we're going to practice number 1 together. So you can turn your paper, right, to see the triangle. If you can see it like this, then you can leave it like that. But the problem is people are looking at this and they can't figure out where to put the numbers. So what we're doing, start with your height and find that, right? So that is 6.7. And then this is what I was talking about. People were getting messed up with which number to put on the bottom because it's all turned sideways. So if you follow the height, this is the number that goes on the bottom, which is 29. And then you can put the other two on either side and it doesn't really matter, right? But we know that the base and the height of the triangle have to be exact, otherwise your area is going to be wrong. So this side we could put 9, and then what goes on this side of this triangle? 24, very good. And then you're going to do the same thing. Find the perimeter. It is, thank you. My calculator got stuck. Okay, and then 1/2. The base of this triangle is 29, and the height is 6.7. So 97.15. Okay, so this is going to be the actual paper that you're turning in to get graded tomorrow. This one right here. This is just because I needed a whole bunch of triangles to print. Because I don't want you doing the one on the computer. So this is exactly what you're going to do. You're just going to sketch your base. Give me perimeter and area base for all of these shapes. Do not find surface area for any of these, because we're not doing that yet. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay. You want to, we can sketch number 2 and find the perimeter and base, area base, and see if you'll get the same one. Yeah, that's exactly what I got. And then you'll flip over and do the rest of them the same way.